Good morning, children. It's a story time. Today, I will tell a story of an eagle to you. There was a one big peepal tree on the street, and there lived an eagle by making a nest and became its habitat. It used to live happily in the nest with its family. Once the eagle was soaring in the sky, it saw one crow perching on the peepal tree having a mouse in its beak. The eagle thought, "Let me kill this crow by using my talons." And it decided to come down fast and hit the crow with the talons. The crow left the mouse that fell on the ground, and the eagle was very happy to pick the mouse. It picked the mouse and brought it to its nest. The female eagle had given 2 eggs and was sitting on it for hatching. The eagle gave the mouse to female eagle. She was very happy to have the food. After some time, eggs hatched and 2 young eagles came out. After few days, the forest people came and caught these 2 young children of this eagle and took them away in the zoo and kept them in the aviary. So children, today you have learnt these 6 new words: habitat, perch, soar, hatch, aviary, talon. Bye.